walang energy, sobrang OA. Hi guys! So for today's video, we're gonna make a vlog for today. We're gonna do this again. So before ko nagawa ko na namin siya, and then gagawin natin siya ulit this 2026. And this game called Song Association! Hi, bading! Hindi ka gaganunin! So are you ready guys? Let's give it up for John Wick! Magta-transition tayo guys in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Chan! Siya dati si Justin Bieber and transform into John Wick. Before we start guys, simple mechanics lang. So may lalabas dyan na words, may magpa-flash, and then meron kaming 15 seconds para mag-isip ng kanta na meron yung word na yon. And just simple as that. Let's go! Are you ready?
Definitely.
Yan! Sinasabi ko! So, let's get it on! So, for our first word, found. I found the love for me. Yun, wait.
Okay na yan.
Sayang! Okay, for our second round, pag-ibig.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay na.
Okay, third round. Good. You're just too good to be through. Can't take my eyes off you. Yan! Nakakainis! Lagi na lang. Okay, for our fourth word. Fire. And I set fire to the rain. Wash your brain and let you pray. Next word. Beauty.
Beauty and the Beast. Tell us all as time.
Alright. Next, die. And I will die young. Tan-tan-tan, tan-tan-tan. Uh-huh. Yan. Pabebe mo. Next word. Huwag.
Wag ka naman lumayo. Nauna ako guys.
Sabay, di ba? Mababa lang yung boses ko, guys. Di ba?
Bibitaw sa'yo.
Okay na. Party.
Party in the USA. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a party in the USA.
Next. All I ask is if this is my last. Hindi ka Next word.
Bakit ba ikaw ang nakilala?
Hindi ko na nasabi yung word.
Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala na?
Next word. Hold. I...
Hold.
Hindi ko alam yung kanta. May isip ako pero hindi ko alam paano sisimulan yung kanta. I just can't hold on. Ayun. I still can't hold this. Hindi. Ano? Ayun. Hold on. I still need
Okay,
you.
next word.
Smile.
And just
Hindi ka mananalo.
I smile, spin it around. Avril Lavigne. Ayan. Smile and now turn it around.
Next word. Time.
Tell us all as time. Maybe
Uy, mali yun ah.
The truth
May
is
ganun ba?
it can be.
Tell us all a star. Hindi pa yun.
Bittersweet and strange.
Galing. Galing niya.
Learning you were wrong.
Oo na, panalo ka na.
Okay, next
Galing mo
word.
ah. Girl. Girl in the mirror. Girl in the mirror. Girl. Ang galing ko. Hello. Next word. Palagi.
Palagi.
Yeah! Hindi ka mananalo!
Balikan man ang hirap lahat.
Ikaw ang paborito
Okay,
ko.
next word. Dangerous woman, something about you make me feel like the
Kaliligo ko lang,
things
kuya.
that I should done. Next word.
Everything. You are my everything. In the now and wala, matras. Alright! Next word!
I
Dance.
wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. Somebody.
Tutulungan kita. I wanna dance!
Mali lyrics ko. Basta dance yun. Alam niyo na yun, di ba?
Next word! Ang galing niya, guys. Hindi. Hindi ka gaganon!
Hindi ko kayang
Hindi
iwan
kasi nilalaro
ka.
mo.
Hindi ko kayang iwan ka.
Apakadami niya magwisik.
Dito sa
Pag ako
puso
hangin-hangin.
ko. Nandito ako. Umiibig. Actually, sino panalo, guys? Di ba? Ako nauna eh. Kaya lang nakuha niya agad yung, alam niyo yan. Yung-
So wala. Pare-pares. Baby, honey, ikaw na nga, ikaw na nga, wala nang iba. Turuan man
Next
ang
word.
puso ko. Next word.
Complicated, I see the way your eyes are like somebody
Alam mo,
else. It gets
pero-
me frustrated. And that's leaves you go, if you go, that
Kuya
you
talaga
go.
ang pinapaligo. Manda ka sa akin pag isang bugsuan. Tingnan mo. Next word. Remember.
Do you
Always remember. Nawala lang yung remember
Said
niya.
it's coming back. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, it's coming back. Sayang yung polvo ko. Johnson.
Next word. When I was
When-
young and I listened to
Walang ganyan na da.
radio.
Walang ganyan. Di ganun. When I was young talaga. Ala!
Sabi ko sa'yo. Ang ganti ng pighati. Lovely. Isn't she lovely?
Alam ko na, pinili niyo makanta yung mga alam niya.
Sorry guys. Sorry guys, talo John Wick nyo, boy!
Okay, next word.
Next word. Isip. Ang isip ko'y gulong-gulo, litong-lito, kung sino sa
Give
inyo. Give me, ganyan gusto ko. Yan,
Okay, oh.
Talintukas. Dream.
When I dream.
Mali! Tama yun, guys, tama.
Ayun na yan. Ikit sa intention, di ba?
Galing ko talaga. Mapagmahal ka. Next word. Dilaw.
Dilaw.
Ikaw.
Dilaw. Ayun na yun.
Ngipin mo ay dilaw. Okay, next word for the last one. It's you. And inside down when you show
Sabay tayo
me.
nagsabi ng you eh. Wala. Okay.
Ayan, you mo. Wala, you lang sinabi mo. Hindi na natalaya.
It's you.
Wala yun.
Wala.
Guys, tama ako, diba? Ako tinuloy ko siya lang. You.
Okay na yan. Okay, so let's wrap it up.
Alright. So guys, thank you very much sa inyong panonood. And gusto nating pasalamatan si John Wick, for participating on our vlog for today's video called, sabay tayo, Song Association. 1, 2, 3, go! Song Association! Alright guys, and kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please follow me on my page. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Mwah!